Hi there, it's Amber Freeland here. Today we're talking about how to make $400 to $1,000. Oh, I'm setting my timer. We're not going to be here very long. How to make $400 to $1,000 per day in the digital online space. Now, if someone invited you to view this video, go ahead and give them a huge thank you because we're going to unveil some secrets today that you've probably been wondering about the solutions to. Okay. Some of the results that we've got implementing what I'm about to teach you right here, right now, today is having a luxury car paid for in the simplest way possible, getting off of that high ticket hamster wheel if you're in the online coaching space, that dread revenue roller coaster, whether you're in high ticket, low ticket, or some other online business model, how you can help others do the same and grow your leads list with a super simple viral offer and grow your business automatically with online systems. Some of those hard, tedious systems that you thought you needed a ton of money to go hire someone to figure out, I'm going to show you how to just piggyback off of ones that have already been built. Okay. And how you can eventually wake up to $400,000 a day in automatic sales, having totally passive income in the digital space. So let's talk about the problems with traditional business. You are on that revenue roller coaster. You're starting the month off at zero every single month. You're sometimes having to talk to 30, 40, 50 people a day. And then you have to follow up with 30, 40, 50 people every day after that. Like that catches up with you. There's a max limit on how many people you can talk to every day. Or you don't want to necessarily put a ton of output. You want to start magnetizing people to you. And so you're putting content on social media, but you got crickets. Nobody's responding. You haven't hacked that algorithm yet. You haven't figured out how to create those inbound leads and consistent sales without having to feel salesy or use some kind of slimy, weird tactics for lead gen and closing. Okay. So here's the solution. You put your name behind an already viral offer. Give something away of value that gets your ideal client or your audience a result right away. And then they're inspired to take a look at the next steps, to ask you for the next thing, to go along this journey with you. And you're showing up, showing the results and how easy it can be or how simple it can be, whatever that looks like for you. You're using this little simple tech to create some really killer content that can drastically increase engagement and inbound leads and conversations. And I'm going to show you how we've done that for years today. If you've never met me before, my name is Amber Freeland. My husband's name is Christian Escobedo, and he and I both are co-founders of Mass AI, which I'm going to show you a little bit about today, only to the context of how we use that amazing high-ticket tool to get results in the even more simple front-facing business spaces. And we've done it in two ways. I'm going to share both opportunities with you today, okay? One is in the online health and wellness space, which happens to be my favorite because I'm obsessed with health and wellness, and I feel amazing on these products, and they help me have the energy that I need to do all the things that I do, but it's also one of my favorite things to help people grow. So I'm going to show you that today. Secondly, I'm going to show you if you're not into health and wellness, you have an aversion to that somehow, how you can do it strictly in the digital marketing space. But here's what I want you to think about. As I share screen with you in just a second and I show you these two opportunities, here's what I want. Here's the thinking cap I want you to wear, okay? You have an audience potentially or people in your world that could totally benefit from making $400 to $1,000 a day. When I first started this, I was a nurse and I desperately needed that. I needed that auto bonus. My car was breaking down and I definitely needed a way to make $400 to $1,000 a day to get out of that soul sucking job that I was in. I'm just being honest, crying my way home every single day. Okay. But secondly, if you're in the online space already and you've got clients, you've maybe got a high ticket offer and people really want to work with you and they've been following you for years, but they're just truly authentically not in a financial position to invest in what you do so that you can coach them to the success that they want. This has been the most lucrative way to get someone started in online business in a very affordable way where they can make their money back as fast as possible. Okay. So as you watch this for yourself and you get excited about these products and feeling better and sharing and making that additional income stream for yourself, knowing that you can take yourself out of the daily grind by what I'm going to show you. I also want you to think about what a huge opportunity it is to be able to turn around and say to your amazing audience and people in your world, hey, I can now show you how to make $400 to $1,000 a day in the simplest and easiest way. Okay. So let me share my screen with you. I cannot wait to give you the nitty gritty on both of these things. So like I said, put your thinking cap on. I'm going to show you two different things today, just so that I can save you a ton of time in one simple video so you can move forward with whichever one suits your personality and your lifestyle the best. Okay. So here we go. Number one. This is my opportunity in the health and wellness space. This is the Thrive experience. This is the first business that I'm trying to move my screen up here. Okay. This is the first business I ever started. This came into my life as the biggest blessing I can not even tell you. And I had no clue that I needed this. But this allowed me to get out of my job and into doing something that I'm really, really passionate about and help a ton of people feel good, look good, and make money they never thought they could make. It's been super rewarding. I walked into a party one day and it was in regards to this product line, and my husband was there. So I actually met my husband through this company right here back in 2015. I have a rewards plan here so you can see exactly how lucrative this can actually be. And I'm more than happy to break this down for you and have this conversation with you whenever you're ready. But we get paid like 12 different ways. It's super fun and lucrative, and I'll save that for more private conversation. When you come in and do this with us in order to make $400 plus per day, you're going to get our new promoter handbook. And inside of that handbook, sorry, I went too fast, is everything that you need to launch this business in the most simple and lucrative way. We've broken it all down for you. And we even have a community here of over 1,500 amazing people that are working towards this every single day. We have multiple calls you can tune into throughout the week. We celebrate wins. We have tons of support. This is the current promotion where you can make $600, which is $400 cash and 200 credits on $400 in sales. And you can do this every single day. And our team is just popping off these bonuses every single day. Okay. So with that, let's take a look. Here we go. Tracks for you exactly so you know that you're able to make that $400 every single day. Now, here's what I want to share with you next, the auto bonus. This is a life-changing rank inside of our company because the car payment is the second biggest expense in any given household. You got rent or mortgage first, and then typically you got the car payment next. And this can take a huge chunk of a family's monthly income, especially with interest rates the way they are. I hit my auto bonus back in 2015, just a few months after I started with the company. I have multiple friends that did it in a few weeks. It is a pivotal rank and is not very hard to achieve. So I started getting $800 to cover my car payment. It even covered my car insurance and my gas and everything. $800 a month towards a luxury vehicle of my choice. And it was absolutely life-changing for me. This is a picture of me when I invested in my new car. My old one was breaking down, and it changed my life. It literally changed my life. And this was a very long time ago. So I've seen a ton, hundreds and hundreds of people do it since I did it. So I know what you might be thinking. How hard is it to share this? It's pretty simple given the amount of support you have. It's pretty simple if you're working with me or someone that I work with that's introduced you to this, because I do a lot of the education for you, which is super fun and exciting, and am able to build rapport with the people that you're sharing with. But another really cool thing is that you're able to tell customers that when they refer to, theirs will be free. So in a lot of ways, growing with Lavelle and the Thrive experience has a lot to do with giving things away for free, which is just this fun vibe energy around growing a business in the way that works best for you. Now, next, I'm going to shift gears. I'm going to show you some high-tech business stuff. I'm going to get out of the health and wellness realm, and I'm going to go into the digital marketing realm. So you're probably feeling either, oh my gosh, I'm so ready to thrive. I want to feel these products. They help with energy, weight management, better sleep. People just feel like the best version of themselves when they take them. So you're either resonating deeply with that or you're going, Amber, show me the digital marketing space. Either way, when you grow a business like this, you're going to want to have digital things in place. Let me show you why. Actually, let me show you this first. So this is an example of what my husband and I do in some of our higher ticket offers and even some of our other offers that are just, it can be really complex, right? To build a sales system that going to bring leads in, get them to the next step, nurture them into making a buying decision and hopping into one of your offers. Now, what most people don't know when they share a simple health and wellness product or a super simple business model where the company ships everything for you and they do all this for you, they don't think about building these kind of sales systems because they really don't know how to do it. But what's cool is that Christian and I have already done it. We do it with Mass AI. We incentivize people for free to get more credits and share things and get more opportunity to use our tech. We use our tech to write sales funnels and sales pages that guide people to invest in themselves. And so when you work with someone with a background in this industry that's created over 7 figures, you're able to get off the hamster wheel that normally looks like this. People post on social media, then they hope and pray that people are going to reach out to them and ask to buy things or ask for freebies or things like that. And it doesn't work. They post something different and then they pray and then they post and pray. And what's really happening behind the scenes is that your clients are on a buyer's journey where they are not actually even aware of the problem that they have. And what we've learned is that when you have these systems in place, you can warm them up, right? We're taking them from ice cold blue to neutral to red, where they're a hot buyer. They've gone from problem unaware to problem aware to brand aware. So they know over time that your service or your thing is their way forward. But a lot of people build business and they just don't know that yet. And they don't have the ability to build things like this. Okay. So thankfully we do. And we do that both with the Thrive experience and with another opportunity I have for you today that gives you the chance to make $1,000 a day. So this is called MRR systems. And this is where we use our tool, Mass AI, to create some really simple, amazing sales systems that you can actually resell and keep up to $1,000 per day. And some people put this on repeat and they'll go for multiple sales in one day. But this is how we're able to also give you this opportunity in the digital space alone, outside of health and wellness, to create content and put out offers and put this in front of other people who can also therefore turn around and make $1,000 per day. Okay? So whatever questions you may have, jot them down. I'm going to refresh your memory here and let you know that right now you have the opportunity with the Thrive experience to make $400 to $600 per day. I do not know how long the 200% commission opportunity is going to be in place and be as simple and easy as ever to do that. Now, you can always do that with this company. You might have to make a little more sales. Right now, the profit margin is insane. So if you're ready to make $400, $600, $1,000 a day, go ahead and be sure to get back to the person that shared this video with you and let them know what feels best for you right now. Is it the Thrive experience in the health and wellness space, helping others look and feel their best and then turn around and create the wealth that they desire in this super simple business model? Or is it potentially MRR systems, online marketing systems with the resell opportunity to make $1,000 a day? Both are available to you as we speak when you see this video. And I would say the simplest way is to reply yes to the person that sent you this video, hop on a quick call with them, and they'll show you how to get started today. All right. Thank you so much for your time today. If you have any questions for me, just let me know.